Good day everyone. I am Justin Roqueta and for today's video I will explain one of the most important topics in mathematics, especially in the fields of information technology. So my topic is the fundamentals of counting. So countings may look simple but is actually a powerful tool that helps us determine how many possible outcomes or arrangement can happen situation without listing everyone by one. So, fundamentals of counting. The fundamentals of counting is used to find the total numbers of possible outcomes in a situation. So, here's the includes three main ideas, which is the rule of sum, the rule of product, and the permutation and combinations. So, here the example number one, rule of sum. This rule is used when you have to choose between two different options. For example, if a student can choose 3 snacks or 2 drinks, the total numbers of choices is 3 plus 2. It equals 5 possible choices. So, we use the rule of sums when a choices is made between one thing or one another. So, let's proceed to the second example, which is the rule of products. The rule of products is used when actions between in sequence. For example, a 3-digit pins has 10 choices for each digit from 0 to 9. So the total numbers of possible pins is 10 times 10 times 10. It equals 1,000 possible pins. So we use the rule of products when some things happen and then another things happen. Here's the third example, which is the permutations when orders matters. So permutation is used when the order of the arrangements is important. For example, if three students are lining up, the numbers of ways they can stand is 3 permutation equals 3 times 2 times 1, it equals 6 possible arrangement. So next, combinations, when order does not matter. So combination is used when the order does not matter. For example, if you choose two fruits from apple, banana, mango, the possible groups are apple and banana, apple and mango, banana and mango. So there's a three combination, which is this, the apple banana, apple mango, and banana and mango. Let's proceed the next slide, which is the application in IT. The fundamentals of counting is very important in IT because we often calculate the numbers of possible passwords, pins, IP address, file names, and program outputs. So for example, countings help us understand why longer passwords are more secure because more characters means before possible combination. So here's the conclusion. In summary, the fundamentals of counting helps us quickly determine the numbers of possible outcomes in a situation. It includes the rules of sum, the rule of product, permutations, and combinations. So this concept is very useful not only in mathematics, but also in the field of information technology.